Hey guys, what you're looking at is an email that I received from Poplin staff where a Laundry Pro washer has broken and they're asking if I will pick up the laundry from the Laundry Pro's home and deliver it to the customer. Sometimes this may happen where you may get an email from the staff to see if you can do it, and then they'll give you some incentive. So this is what you're looking at now. Hey guys, back with another Poplin video on my way to pick up a laundry order. So we're almost there. I hope you guys can hear me. Like I said, I'm on my way to pick up a Poplin order. It was a requested order that